Yeah, hi ma'am. Good morning. Fine. What about you?
Good morning. I'm also good. Thanks for asking. So, yes, let's start with today's topic. Any topic on which you like to talk about?
Okay, so today I will start today at one topic for for my mother.
Okay.
Uh, mother mother loves a lot to us, and she she is doing every work since morning to night, even if she feel tired. So never so she felt tired and always making uh, breakfast, lunch as well dinner to whole family member. Even if she even if she not feeling well or feeling fever something at that time, never she never shows, and she loves a lot to whole family member, and gives lots of love, and explain all the things, whatever she knows, and what we need to do in a day to their children, and to their children, and cleaning whole house also, and if without mother, uh, we can say like, without mother home is not home,
Yes.
uh, because of when she whenever uh, she is happy only if their family members are happy. At that time, she mother.
Yes, that's correct. And that's so true, right? Okay,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is the one quality you would like to have in yourself from your mother?
Ma'am, if my mother, for current scenario, if I'm telling to you right now, I'm living in Noida, and my mother called to me, and she told me I'm not feeling well or something. So that time I'm not feeling well also, because of when she felt uh, pain. So same thing, I felt here, because of she's because she done for me what kind of, I can't explain to you what she did for me.
Okay.
So yes, sir. So if whenever mom told to me she's not well, so I'm thinking I'm living here, what I can do for my mom.
Yes, that's right. And that is we cannot explain mother's bond and mother's love. And no matter which you are talking, even if you talk about your mother, if I talk about your child's mother, no, the bonding is same between the children and the parents. That's for sure,
Yeah, correct, ma'am.
right? Okay. So yes, as you are talking about it, you are talking about your mother's everyday routine. Like she cleans the house. Whenever she prepared food, you mentioned she make food or cook food. So instead of that, whenever someone else is doing this service, okay, this is kind of a service we are getting from them, right? So they prepared the food. Even if you're mentioning that yesterday also, you said my friend prepared delicious food or made delicious food. So instead of made, we use prepared.
Yeah, prepared or cook, na? Sorry,
Yes,
prepared or cook.
yes. And
Okay.
very important when you say that my mother has done so many things, lots of things for us. To us is not the word. For us. To means, okay, when we use to, can you give me a few examples?
To when I am doing something for when I'm doing something for somebody. For
Okay.
an example,
Can you
if
give
I am
me?
doing something for
Yes.
you, at that time I will use to. And or
Okay.
explaining someone at that time using to.
Yes. Give me a few examples.
Uh, can I give this pencil? Can I give this pencil to him? No, sorry, for him.
To him only. That is right.
Okay, that is right. To him. Not use here for. Can I give this pen to him or for him?
Here, when you are doing something, then we use for. If you are talking about like my connection to my mother, when you're indicating something, most of the time, like I'm going yahan se wahan. So in this way we use wahan is a two word.
Okay, I'm going from Delhi to Noida. Delhi to Noida.
Yes. It's
Okay,
from Delhi to Noida.
okay. She is coming from Mumbai to Pune.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay. My mother has done lots of things for us, not to us.
okay.
Okay.
My
Whenever
mother.
she cleans the house, whenever she's sick, you said she is not feeling well. She's don't say anything. You said she's not saying anything. It is not only one time thing. It is a kind of a routine you're mentioning about or habits you're talking about your mother. Right? So whenever you talk about habits, whenever you talk about routine, whenever you talk about facts, that's where we use simple present. Yes. Okay. No matter which past, see, this is not the past tense sentences. You're talking about a person's personality, right? You're talking about one person. So this is also personality develop, personality speaking. We're talking about habits. Your mother is kind of a hard worker, we would say.
Yes, she is doing hard working every time.
She is working hard. Okay, using is. She is a hard worker woman. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, with here, where as I'm not a feminist, but there is one word that people say that my mother or my wife is a housewife. Is it a correct word? We are modern, so what is would be the next good word we should use?
Uh, Household.
No,
My wife is when people are using my for an example, if you are asking, so at that time I will tell you my wife is housewife, na?
is
So
homemaker.
instead of housewife, we can use homemaker.
Yes. Okay,
Okay,
you can say your mother is a homemaker. Your wife is a homemaker because that is more appropriate word. Yes.
okay, homemaker. Yeah,
Yes, because
fine.
that is more positively taken. Nowadays, people are objecting many things. So, in this way, it will also come out like a good, reputed work. But yes, homemaker or a worker, no matter which work we are in, it is always how we defined it, right? Okay, so yes, I hope you will be paying attention. I hope you got the idea what I'm trying to say. Whenever you talk about anyone's personality, their habits, and routine, we use simple present tense. Okay, whenever she's sick, she's not feeling well. she works, she prepares food for us, right? She's
Yes,
preparing
right.
food for us is mean you're talking about only one time, okay?
Okay.
And in general, you're talking about the things which happen every time. Like whenever you hear your mother is not well, even you feel the pain. You said, I'm feeling the pain. So that is also where you have to use simple present tense.
So what I would need to use if she
You said,
if she is
yes.
if she is not feeling well, so I'm also not feeling well.
Here, this is not the correct way of mentioning. It is not one time it is happening, right? Whenever she is not feeling well, I or whenever she is sick, I also feel the pain, or I also feel like I'm also not well. Are you getting it? Here, it is not only in present form, present continuous, but present simple also.
Okay.
Whenever
When
she tells me,
whenever she tells me, okay, yeah, simple present.
yes, you were saying,
No, actually, now when you are when you telling now at that time I get your point. But when I am trying to say now at that time those words I can't use. Uh, why I don't know. Forget actually forget the things which you are explaining.
yeah, that is totally fine and understandable because this is your kind of an habit of every time
Yes.
you are using this, right? You use this kind of way of speaking, so it's fine, it is understandable. So, what you have to do is whenever you want to talk about something, just think for a second about what you are going to say, okay? For a second or for a half minute, think of it and prepare everything in your mind, and when you will be start speaking about it, you will see the difference.
Okay. First think, then tell.
Yes. And this is not every time I'm saying in this class only, in this class topics only. If, like, for example, if you want to talk about something and I give you one topic, either come before the class, think of that topic, that what you're going to say, or whenever you get the topic from my side, take a moment, think about it, and then start speaking.
Okay.
Okay, it will give a different perspective also, and you can able to speak about it more clearly and confidently. Okay, and
Hmm.
this habit will improve. And why I'm saying it now, this is your speaking stage, right? So when you will be moving ahead, automatically this time of thinking will reduce, and automatically you will start speaking from the beginning. You don't have to wait then and think of the moment. Okay, just a second,
Okay.
please. Yes. Okay, you got the idea. It will give you more perspective, and you will
Okay.
remember everything which we have done. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
As you have talked about it, tell me about, is it the same person who is your favorite family member? Your
Yeah,
mother
my
is
mother.
your favorite family member? So,
Yeah, my
as
mother.
we are talking about favorite family member, one important part is why they are, yeah, they are your favorite. So, mother are our favorite, no doubt. But what is the one quality you like to have in yourself from her?
Uh, actually, I don't have any quality for taking care of her because of sometime I'm quarreling with my mother also.
Yes.
But na what I can, man.
Like one thing your mother has and you want it for yourself. Like that quality should I should be having so that my children or my child will see in me, and it will they will value it just like I do in my mother's, like that in your parents. That kind of a quality. What is it? Are you getting what I'm asking?
No, not getting, ma'am.
One best quality of your mother which you think you should be having as well, so that you can be a better parent, like that.
Okay. So, uh, I saw my mother whenever called to me na. So at that
Call,
time, she always when when my mother called to me.
call me.
So yeah, call me. So always she uh, she was asking only uh, about me. Have you completed your breakfast? Have you done your lunch and dinner or something? You feel better, and all the things is going all good. So she is always asking this one, never ask relevant or something. So she is because of she is caring to me.
Caring
That's
for
what
me.
that yeah, she is caring for me. That's why she is asking. And if 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 for if she want if she want anything, so never she told, so never she tell to me, I want this. Always giving me only.
Yes.
So this kind of habit I apply on
You want to
me.
have in yourself.
Yes. So because of one of my child, so I want to apply those habits on me
Yes.
for me.
And that's true, right? It is like every mother's definition is the same. No matter which
Yes, ma'am.
age group we are in, a child or young or old, we are
My
having the same bonding.
yes,
Yes.
correct. Because of uh, right now I am 34 years, but I'm going to home, so always my mother is to me, and my child
Yes.
came and like this.
Just a second. I didn't get it.
I think you're getting call
Yes,
from
now it's
someone.
fine. Am I audible now?
Yeah, audible, audible.
Yes. So yes, that's true, and that's what everyone's story is. And as you have talked about it, very important point. I hope you remember while talking about anyone's habit. Always use simple present. Okay, am
What,
I
ma'am?
audible?
What? Yeah, yeah. What, ma'am?
I said whenever you are talking about anyone's habit, personality, use simple present.
Simple present. Okay, that's fine.
Okay. So yes, let's talk about the next grammar topic. That is, shall we go for instead of doing tense, shall we go for on and in another form of on and in?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, let me share a screen or tell me when we use on for days, like for timing.
What
Yes,
again? Pardon, please. Pardon, please. What asking?
like when we are talking about on and in, and when we want to talk about time. like hours, years, dates, or place. So what we use on, in, and at. These are the important part of rule which we apply in terms of mentioning time. Okay, time. It's not only about clock time. It's also about days, hours, month, date. Okay, so in that time, in that way, I'm asking when we use on.
Okay. You called me Monday on Monday.
Yes, correct.
You explained me something on previous Monday.
Here, when you're using previous, do not add any other preposition. Previous is, uh, preposition also. So it is on and previous are quite similar. So you explain something to me on previous Monday. Like that's it, not on.
Oh, okay.
So yes,
Okay.
we use on for days and date. Okay.
Days and date.
Yes,
Okay.
we use
I
on.
will I will be going to I will be going to Simla on 22nd of March.
Correct. Yes.
Okay. So days and date, na?
Yes. When you're specific about days and date, we use on. Like on Monday, on Friday, on weekend, I will be visiting my friends, or I'm meeting my friends. Like that.
Okay.
Okay. And when you're mentioning particular day, like for example, I celebrate my birthday on 11th May.
Okay. Yes, I will be celebrating my birthday first on 1st Jan.
Okay. Yes. Is it your birth date?
Yeah, actually, when I was born, so that time my father is not in the hospital, so they don't have the confirmed date. So
Okay.
when they and when they when I was studying from first class, so at that time my they I think they told to them, so that's why they are mentioned 1st of Jan.
Okay, yes, that's always happened, right? And it is like that, that when you forget the birthday date, they all like it is very rare though. Okay? It is very rare to have a birthday on 1st Jan.
Yes,
Okay, so
because of
yes,
when I was studying in government school, na, when I was living in my village, and my grandfather had admission to me on government school.
admission me in government school.
Admission me in government school. So
Yes,
that time teacher was mentioning 1st Jan.
yes, correct. Okay, that's nice and that's interesting too. Okay, so yes, as we are talking about days and date, whenever you are specifically talking about a date, like for example, on 11th May, I say, and if I'm saying on the 31st December, let's say, we celebrate the New Year.
Yeah,
Okay,
on
so these
31st December.
there we use on, but when we are talking about month first, okay, months,
Okay,
year, or festivals or season, there we use
o-
in
okay. Festival,
month, season,
festival,
year.
month, season, and
Yes,
year. We are
yes,
using in.
yes.
Okay,
Like,
so Diwali will be coming in November.
correct.
Okay,
Okay. And for example, here you're giving a rough idea, not a specific date time.
okay,
Like, I have a picnic in the month of June.
yeah. Yeah. Picnic. Yeah, we are going to we are going to picnic on November.
In November.
Sorry, in November. Yeah.
But if you mention the date, then you can
No,
use
my
on 14th time, like that.
okay. My father was calling to me and
Calling
asked.
me.
My father was calling me. Sorry, my father was calling not Tuna. My father was calling me and asking, "Shall we go picnic in January?"
Yes. Correct.
Okay, as
Yes.
well.
Hello.
Yes. Hello, I'm audible.
Yes. Yes. Now you are. So you got the idea when we use in. For
Yes,
example,
yes.
give me an example of year. Like India got independent in 1949, 47.
Yeah. So on 47, na? On
In
1947.
1947. In.
Yes. Sorry. In 1947. Yes.
Okay. And uh, I will be visiting my hometown in Diwali.
Yes. I will visiting my hometown in March, holy time.
Correct. Are you getting? This is a festival I'm talking about.
Yes, yes, correct. Festival season like winter, summer.
Yes.
These are season, na, ma'am. Winter, summer, and ma'am,
Rain. Rainy.
rain, rainy.
Yes, we have five seasons in the country. Okay,
Okay,
like winter, summer, rainy, spring, and autumn. Spring and autumn is not all over the country, but major part of the country we have like that is Padjar we call it in Hindi,
but
and
that means summer, na?
after the summer,
After the summer,
before the
Patchari.
rain, it is called Padjar. Okay, and after
Yes, yes.
the rain, we have autumn before the winter.
Okay, we
Okay,
know only
when the
three: rainy, winter, rainy, summer, and winter.
yes, but we added two more just for the specification where all the leaves left the tree, that is spring. Okay, and when all the trees are blooming the flowers or blooming the leaves, that is autumn.
Autumn, Patchar.
No, that is another Pachar, and that we have one more.
Okay, ma'am. One thing. You ma'am, your communication and your fluent is well. So, ma'am, you have completed your schooling from English medium only.
Yes,
Okay, that is the reason. I have completed all the things in Hindi
that's
medium,
fine.
na.
Yes, but at my time, my fifth standard till my fifth standard, it is English Hindi only. But then
Oh,
afterward, it changed. Yes,
okay,
but we didn't
yeah.
have in our school time. We didn't have that kind of confidence of speaking. Like just like if you answer in Hindi, your teacher will answer in English Hindi only.
Okay, so when you was studying after fifth to 12th, at that time your all classmate, they are speaking to everyone fluently like you.
No way, it never was like that. Like it happened in
Uh,
my college. You know, in my college, even the watchmen are speaking in English. And
oh,
when we
where?
went there, It is
In
in
Mumbai,
Mumbai, so far. Yes.
watchman is also knows English.
Yes, at that time, and when we went there, it was very different scenario for us. So it was a great experience. So from there, we have to. Even my friends are there who doesn't know English, Hindi, and Marathi. They are only speaking in English from
Okay,
their birth.
they doesn't know Hindi, English, Hindi or Marathi.
Yes, they only
Okay,
talks in English,
English.
and they are living
So
abroad right now. But yes, that
okay,
is
okay.
the from there, it is like you have to speak if you want to be friend with them. They are wonderful people, and they are all around the world. But it helps actually, and that's why I say that imagine that I don't know Hindi, it will give you more idea to speak only in English, right? Even
Okay.
if you're sitting in the class, nobody is allowed to speak in college level. Like for us in Mumbai, college start from 11th standard, right? So there we had a very totally different opposite atmosphere than our school.
Ma'am, your college start from 11th standard.
Yes, in Mumbai it is like that. Yes.
So in Mumbai, they who people are living in Mumbai say those are not studying 11th and 12th.
We are studying 11th and 12th. You call it junior college or higher secondary. We call it junior college.
Okay, okay. Only they are called to junior and the seniors, higher secondary and junior college.
Yes, it is not the same in Delhi, right?
Yes, yes.
Like for
That
us,
is 11th
in
and 12th standard only.
yes, and here we call it junior college.
Junior college, okay. They are studying 11th, so they come junior college,
Yes, and in
and they
our
are
school,
belongs.
usually from school end at 10th, never in 12th. It is very rare, very high and big schools you will be finding. Right now it is increasing, but in our time it is ended at 10th standard only. That's where our school years end. Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
And as see, the point is what I'm trying to say is the more you practice for us, it was a totally different scenario when we went into college because there were many good opportunities were there, and it actually helped us to. You don't have any other option than to speak in English. It gave us very much and great boost. It connected me to my friends who are all around the world right now. So what I'm trying to say is I had tried it. I was quite learner. Okay. So when I was given this opportunity, I have taken it, and I have talked to my parents, in everyone in my family too, in English only. Even if they give answers in Hindi, I used to talk to them in English. Although it was a broken one, or not proper, they laughed also because our Indian families are like that, right? They will
So
tell you
when
that saga and all.
okay, so when you talking with them, so at that time they are getting all points what you're telling to them.
No, not really. Our parents are normal Indian parents, right?
Okay, so if they don't know what you're telling at that time, okay, so at that time they will ask in Hindi only, na?
Yes.
Okay, okay, yeah, fine.
They will ask in Hindi only. They will make fun of you. It will happen. But motive was I have to learn. I have to be fluent. So and I did my research. I did my studies. Then I have went and I am where I am right now for that. It just happened, and it is not one day journey. From college, it was a wonderful journey, and wonderful people I met. So this confidence is not one day thing. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yes, 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 ma'am. It will take time, ma'am. Sorry, nah,
Yes.
not use nah. One of my friend yesterday we have one yesterday we was doing one meeting. So at that time, one of people is sitting in Noida location. So while he's talking at that time, all the times he's using na. So at that time, I got a point. Ma'am has told to me no need use na.
Yes, because that is a very informal way of speaking. In
Yes, yes,
professional setting, it is not allowed to use that. Okay.
yes. That actually na uh, who is na, so he's not confident. That's why he is using na.
I hope now you are getting the point and you are seeing it on your own as well, right?
Hmm? Yes, yes, yes.
That's what.
By
That's what you should do.
mistaken, yeah, by mistaken when I was uh, tell na, so at that time I realized no need to use na.
Yes. In this way only you will remember the words which you said that you are forgetting when I'm explaining. Afterward, I forget. So when you paid little bit, attention to these things, I hope you're getting what I'm saying. In
Hmm,
this way
yes,
only
yes.
you will move. Okay. This learning is a lifelong journey. Okay. Every day I am quite a reader. I read books. I have read almost 5,000 books. I would say that proudly. Okay, because I love
5,000.
reading. I love reading. That's why I'm saying. But the point is, if you don't like it, but you are trying, it will help you a lot.
So, ma'am, you have read 5,000 books. So, all books you have purchased or books are from library or?
Everywhere. It is not about which book I'm taking. If I like the book, I'm reading it, and no matter how long, how thick it is, if you are interested in the reading, I have read a book in the from the morning to the night. Okay, it's because I love
apart from
reading.
apart from you're not doing anything, all the times you're reading book only.
Yes, that much a craze I have once. I'm just saying, right? So it just and it helped me a lot to boost my confidence, to
Yeah,
reach,
correct.
to speak the way I want. So that's what. That's why I say that do read. It help you a lot, and it will give you more words and knowledge. Okay,
Okay.
and that's why I mentioned that if even if you don't like reading, at least read something for 2 minutes or for 5 minutes.
Yeah, no, 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 no. That thing I that one I am doing daily basis because of first class you told to me 2 to 3 minutes. So I am doing every day 20 to 15 to 20 minutes or more than
Yes.
the
So are
same
you
thing.
reading loudly?
Yes, yes. I am reading. I am reading loudly what I can. Those words I can hear.
Yes.
As
And
well, my wife
this
is also
speaking
hearing
was
when I am reading. When I am reading, so my wife and my child both are hearing.
yes, and that's wonderful, right? And that will give you more knowledge when people will be speaking in front of you, higher level speaker. You will get their words also because you have read somewhere. It will give you an idea in that way too. Okay, so just follow and do the thing, do the learning every day. You will reach your goal of fluency one day for sure. Okay, but when it will happen, it is on you how you are deciding it. You're working, you're as it is quite qualified, right? You're looking after your family. I was doing all this thing when I was in college, and when I obviously it is different, right? So you should not see that okay, this person has done that. I should. You should do your progress on your own, on your level, right? So you will see the difference on that basis. The difference surely will be here in terms of confident speaking, slowly, but gradually, and it surely will be here.
Hmm. Correct, ma'am.
Okay, so yes, as we are talking about in and on, give me few example of festivals and in when we are using for season.
Uh, Diwali will Diwali will be coming on Diwali will be coming on winter season.
In winter season.
Sorry, in winter season is that's not
Yes.
sorry. And the Holi will be celebrating in summer season.
Yes. Correct.
And Vijayadashmi Dasraha will be celebrating in winter season.
Okay. Here, very important. I was waiting. Very important. Whenever you are talking about Dashera is 1 day event, right? Dashera is
Yes.
happening on one day only. Okay.
Yeah, one day.
So we use on for that. On Dashera will be on this date.
So,
On
ma'am,
Dashera, I
Diwali
will
also.
visit my hometown.
So, ma'am, Diwali will be also celebrating for one day only.
But we have 10 days celebration, we have 3 days celebration. But when you're mentioning the main day of puja, okay, Lakshmi
Okay, got
Pujan,
it.
that is on.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, on Lakshmi
Oh,
Pujan day, we meet our or greet our friends. Okay,
okay. Mm-hmm.
why I'm saying
Okay.
in Diwali?
Yeah.
Because Diwali is celebrated for 5 days, 3 days, in Diwali vacations. Like where I'm talking about multiple days, not one particular day.
Got it.
Okay, for example, you mentioned on the day of Diwali, you will be with your parents. It is on the day of Diwali.
Okay. On the day of Diwali. That is specific date or day, na?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Fine.
Okay, it goes like that. And very important again, when I'm mentioning, it is in Holi. Holi is also a 1 day festival.
Yes.
So here also we will be using on. On Holi or Holi Dhan day, I know I will be going in my hometown. Let's say.
On Holi, on Dasraha.
Yes.
Okay.
And here the things which are continuing for many days, there we use in. Like for in Savant month, I'm not sure that it is where you celebrate in Delhi, but in Maharashtra we celebrate Savant also. Okay. So in the month of
Sawan.
Savan,
Sawan month, na? Sawan.
yes.
Okay. Yeah, here also celebrating. Yeah. Uh,
Not always,
Sawan month.
mostly Maharashtrians celebrate it, right?
Okay, okay.
So in the month of Savan, we can say that.
In the month of Sawan.
Yes.
The month of Sawan. Okay.
Okay. And you can say in, like, for example, in the month of Ramzan, right, on the day of Eid, are you getting it? We celebrate Eid for 1 day and
One day.
Ramzan for 30 days. So it goes like
Yes.
that.
So 30, so Ramjan for 30 days. So where we using uh,
Mm.
in. Okay, in. And Eid for on, na? That is the one,
Yes.
but specific date, na? Days or
Why?
day.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Okay, and for
Oh,
example, and you are mentioning that I was born in 1993, let's say. So in
okay.
1993,
Okay. I was born in 1993. Okay, fine. I was born in 1993. Okay, fine.
okay, and if I'm mentioning I was born in 1993, uh, May, then also it is fine.
Okay, I was born in 1990 in January.
Here 1990 January. That's it. Do not add in again.
Okay, okay. In 1990, in 1990 January.
Yes, Or I
Okay.
was born in January, you can say that also.
Yeah, I was born in January.
Correct. Are you
Okay.
getting the sequence how we use it? Okay, within we have years, season, festival, months. We use on. Okay, you can get the idea that whenever you are very much giving a rough idea about something, like I will be doing this work, but it is not specific when. There we use in. Okay, in terms of time, like I'm telling you about from this 30 days of the month, it could be any day. So that's why in July. If I'm mentioning the specific date, it is on 26th July. Are you getting
Okay.
it?
Specific date, na?
Specific date and days. We use on.
Date, specific date or days, na?
Yes.
So on.
Yes, correct.
Specific date or days. Specific date or days. Okay.
Okay,
Correct.
like for example, on Monday, uh, we usually have meetings,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Correct. Mm-hmm.
No matter which tense you are talking about, okay, it is in past or future or present. On and in goes accordingly. It is not changing.
Okay. Fine.
I
In like
I was in the market in on Monday. I
Saturday.
was on, yes,
Mm.
on Saturday. You can say that, yes.
Yes. Every week I'm going to market on Saturday.
Every weekend. That is a weekend. So on weekends I go to market.
Okay.
Okay. Are you getting it? Here weekend and Saturday is both similar. We are using weekends for Saturday, Sunday.
Okay. Weekend, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay, so either use that word or use Saturday or Sunday. You don't have to use both.
Okay.
Okay, so on weekend, on Friday, on Sunday, it goes like that, right?
Correct, ma'am.
And
Right.
on when you're mentioning specific date, like for example, we celebrate uh, Independence Day on 15 August 19, 15 August, let's say.
15 August 19. So that is specific date, na? So we were using on, na?
Yes.
We are we are celebrating Independence Day on 15th August.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Okay, we got
Okay.
independence on 15 August 1947. I can say that also, right?
Okay. Okay.
I hope you got the idea. In this way, you can frame for if you're just mentioning like in 1947 we got independence. In August 1947 we got independence, or on 15 August we got independence. In this way, we can change the sentence, but the meaning is same,
Okay, ma'am.
right? So that's
Right.
why understanding the main basic will help you frame and change the sentence the way you want.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, and we
Mm.
use in for morning, evening, and for afternoon also.
In morning, in afternoon.
Yes,
Okay. Morning, afternoon,
yes,
and evening, na?
correct,
Evening using in.
correct. In the evening, I will be busy in my meeting.
Okay. In the evening.
Correct,
Okay. In the morning. Since
correct.
in the morning, in afternoon. Yeah. In the evening, I have some work. Today in the evening, I have some work. So today I can't meet with you.
Meet you.
Meet
See
you.
here, when you're mentioning one person, do not have to add two there. Okay, when you're specific, like you can call me. You don't have to say you can call to me.
You can call me directly. You can call me.
You can call them. To them is not necessary.
You can call them. You can call them.
Yes. We do this work with you, and like that we go like that,
Okay. Okay.
right? Okay, so you got the idea when we use in and on.
Hmm. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we have at is used for night and for specific date, sorry, specific address and for time. Like at 12 o'clock, uh, we discuss the, you know, proposal, like say in the meeting usually we use it in that way. So at 12 o'clock, at 12 5, let's say. So when you are specific about the clock time, we always use at for that.
Okay. Shall we
Okay.
meet shall we meet today at 5 o'clock?
Yes, correct.
Okay. She has called she has called me at
Yes,
5 o'clock.
correct.
Okay. At 5 o'clock.
Yes.
Okay.
And when you're specific about an address, okay,
Address. Okay. So I'm
I will
living
meet you
flat.
at the
I'm
bus
living.
stop, at the coffee shop.
Okay. Okay. Like this address. Okay. Okay. Actually, no,
Yes.
I was thinking address where I'm living.
Yes, that also. Like you're very much specific about, like for example, you're saying you are living in Noida right now. Okay, so
Yes.
give a rough idea. But if you are giving exact location, okay, like at sector 3x, sector 5, I'm not sure where it is, but I'm giving. Okay, then you are mentioning at with it. You're specific with the location, then you can use at.
Okay.
Okay, like you are writing an address of yours and mentioning in detail your pin code, your street, and everything. There also we write at.
Okay. So, ma'am, for an example, if I'm telling to I'm living at sector 73.
Yes, correct.
Okay. And next address will flat number 104. Before once I have write or tell at, so no need to add second time, na at.
No, no, that one time is enough. At sector 73, building number, floor, then you can add everything else.
Okay, okay, correct.
Okay, so here you are
Okay,
giving a specific location, but when you say in Noida, it could be anywhere. Okay,
okay,
just a rough idea you have given. Like for example, I am living in Mumbai, so my rough location is Mumbai, and when I will be giving you exact address, there we use at.
at okay, fine.
Yes, and we use at for night too. Like at night I will meet you there. It is not in night.
Okay, at night.
Yes, for morning, evening, and afternoon we use in, and for night we use at.
Okay, at night.
Yes,
Morning, afternoon, evening, night.
correct.
For all kind of word, we are using at. Okay.
Okay, exact location, exact address, and exact time we use at.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
so yes, as you got the idea, give me each sentence in all the types of on, in, at, and for months here exactly in this way, the things which we have discussed. On that basis, one give me one sentences. Yes.
Okay. On I will be meeting you on Monday,
Yes.
and see my mother. My mother is living at
Yes.
Bijuri. My mother is living at Bijuri.
Yes. Correct. Your
My
Bijuri is a specific place you're talking about?
yeah, Bijri is specific place name.
Okay, that's fine.
My father celebrating Mazdoor Divas on first May
Correct. Yes.
and on in morning morning at so I will be I will be going to railway station. I will be going at railway station. I will be going at railway station because of I have train.
Yes.
I need to catch.
I have to board, not catch.
Okay,
Catch
I
means
have.
that is not the correct word. Yes.
Okay, I have to board. Okay,
Yes.
I was born. I was born in 1990 Jan.
Correct.
Uh, my wife, my wife born in 1993,
Correct.
and I hope Sanjay born in 1992,
Yes. Correct.
and you are,
Here it is not hope. It is I think.
I think, okay, I think, okay, and I think I think you will be taking leave on Eid.
Yes. Yes, I will. Sure.
Okay, no, just I'm making sentence.
Yes. I'm just telling you. Yeah.
Okay, so and uh, uh, they are uh, they are they will be calling they will be calling they will be calling PM on Sunday.
They will be calling PM means
Prime Minister.
yes. You're the PM.
Okay, okay. They will be calling the PM.
Yes.
They will be calling the PM on Monday.
Yes. Why the PM? Because that is a very highest, place and position.
Yes,
That's
yes.
why.
Got it. Got it, ma'am. Fine. And summer summer comes summer will be coming after summer will be coming after summer will be coming after winter on winter season.
Yes. Here you have
Summer,
used after instead of in, so that is also right.
okay. I am living in fourth floor
On floor.
on fourth floor.
Yes. Fourth floor per I lives.
Okay, okay, got it.
Yes.
I am I am moving. I am going to somewhere on bus
Yes. Correct.
because of where is space na. So we can use on na. And we have no space to moving at that time we are using in na. I am
Yes.
going to my office in cab. I am going to office in my cab because of my company has provided cab
Yes.
for us for us for pick for pickup and drop both
Yes. For pickup and drop. Correct.
pickup and drop in my office more than 4,000 cab.
Yes.
Correct?
We have
Yes.
more than 4,000 cats in my office. My office use 4,000 cats. In general, you can say.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Right.
So you
One
got
of
the
my
idea
friend,
when we use at
one of my friend, he lives on Mumbai.
in Mumbai.
Sorry, in Mumbai. Actually, na, just you told to me, na, I'm forgetting when uh, I'll read again, then I will correct because of I was forget. Sorry, I'm
No, you have
forgetting.
made good sentences before. But that's understandable.
Okay. Okay, okay. We are celebrating. All Indian people are celebrating Holi. All Indian peoples are celebrating Holi on March.
In March.
Ma'am, on Holi. So earlier you told to me on Holi on the Sara. We are using
But you're
on. That is
mentioning the month. You're mentioning the
okay.
month.
Okay. On Holi. Okay. Okay. Okay.
On 26th March, you can say.
On 26 March. Okay, okay. When we using month at that time use in, na?
Yes.
In March. Okay. And when we are okay, all Indian people celebrating Holi on every Indian people celebrating on Holi.
Holy on.
Holi on
On 26th, March, let's say. Here, you are mentioning the date. Specific day you are mentioning. Okay, you can say we all Indians are celebrating Holi in March, or every Indians are celebrating Holi on 26 March.
on 26 March. Okay.
You
On
are specifying the date.
okay, okay, fine. On 26 March, and every Indian people celebrating Holi in March, and every Indian people are celebrating Holi on 26 March. Okay, that is fine. Yeah.
Yes. Okay,
Mm,
or you can say on 26 March we all are celebrating Holi.
yeah. All the people are celebrating Dasraha on all Indian people are celebrating Dasraha on 26 April.
Yes, correct.
Okay,
Okay, so
got
yes,
it.
this is all about today's class. After the class, do some practice and
Mhm.
let me know if you have any doubt. In the next class, we can discuss.
Okay, sure, ma'am.
Okay, is there any doubt regarding anything which we have done?
No, no, nothing, ma'am.
So, yes, let's continue in the next class. Have a great day.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, bye.